Hello guys, this is Orobosa Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Orobosa Mama page. You can also see me on Orobosa Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Sonia, where's the sister? Hello, name is Mo. Here this is Mo. Hello, my beautiful fans, my friends, my family. How una dey? Now good morning, oh everybody, my brothers and my sister. Una do well for my sister body, oh Mrs. Orobosa, where they sick. Una do well. Oh yeah, invite your friends and share. Now Orobosa has nowadays, so today I still consider me I can't check am. So as we talk am before, say I beg we need una help. I say we still talk am. The life where I do that day, now some of my followers come say, hey, Mama, some people not be only my followers, not be only my fans, not be only my friends. People come, they come and say, we don't know say that true. We just say we don't know. Some people say they not see, some people say they don't know. I beg when I don't know now. So now some of my friends, people who saw a person will be my followers. One of my followers, now he give me this money, 70,000. He say, you don't know, mommy, you give me 70,000. Say me I can't give Orobosa away. Say make it the one way she take support and help with this. But he say make I not measure her name, but even though I not measure your name, God will bless you, my sister. Anything where you put your hand for this your life, it go better for you. As you take save another person's soul. Now so God will take save your soul, save your children's soul. Any member of your family, where wish you good, where wish you well, now so God will save the person's soul. So I beg, my sister, where I get where. Some people there say, mommy, I beg, it's also that I'll give you money. It's also there like this. People, they call me. Even though I not see me give money, I can't number dead there. I beg. Mogna, go give her the money for there. I beg my brothers and my sisters. When I do well for my body, oh, today now I can't give her. I not see the daughter for house. I thought I not see her for house today. Can't see the man. Now this one can't be a mama now. Now senior sister be this one. Now I can't give her senior sister.
Thank you.
70,000 more. Still be aware of man in Facebook. I will follow us in man. Opa Usunia or the Bonari. Or when you now you have a job of killing Amen. Abe presenters here no social media. Uba ma o salobanu la o neju wa mi gbe neju wa mi mu neju wa mi ezo no ma se ti bu wa na egbu wa mo nu wa yi nu wa te ba re ta no pe egbu wa ba no ku nu wa le no ka egbu wa ba no ku nu wa le ni Jesu abro si ma ni we post eni be show ekian wa ya wa we se obonu ba ya show eni atowo ilu wa ere o pada ho magimaje iya tu salobua ameke na wa se sinu e ya gbon da obi ewo ari obi ewo da saba dia se agbolu wa ge gbo wa geme yare ibe ye ge so man me mo bo mi obo very always busy ya iwa kian iwa muna bugo bo be ne do pe gbe wa ari eme wa ari e ya kan So you say my bunny, always lobby here. So he said he record the lobby, the woman like that. I not feel the record that for where she like that. I don't know. She not feel the waka. She not. But I beg my people, make my help. I beg. Now do well. God will bless you now. Amen. Bye bye. Save your soul.
Hey guys, it's me Pamela from Pamela Freestyle Makeup, and today I'm going to be talking about what I saw on YouTube. So I was just going down on YouTube and I saw this woman crying, and I said to myself, why is this woman crying? So I went upstairs to my mum and I told my mum that this woman's crying and I don't know why she's crying. So my mum explained to me why she was crying, and I was shocked. She had a tumor and she needed some money. So I decided to help her. I want to help her. I want her to get better. So I decided to use my lunch money to donate to her. But my mum said, why do you want to use your lunch money? What are you going to eat at school? And I said to her, don't worry. I'll just bring some food from home. Life comes first. So my mum said, okay. So she took me to the place where they send the money. I put the £20 inside the box and I was thinking to myself, let me donate another £20. So I took my purse out and I got the £20 that I got for Christmas last year. And I put it inside the box, and I was happy that I did this because I want this woman to get better and I want her to be happy. So please guys, if you really care about this woman, please donate some money. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next time on Pamela Freestyle Makeup. Bye!
Iria dove no woman. Edonorowa, Edonorisi. Wala wo meno otuwa, osuwa. Orobosa no you no yija pakaya nìkan. Egbe mara me. Ibi ebo me wala wo gbogbo agbe ku. Wa tun ame wa mi mefa. Egbe mara de yi. Kete ni ade mo bori la je le jo ma no te kore la no. Ewu emume kore ti gbagbe. Ibale de egbe fa bo je lo. Ege ni ja e. O gbagbe mo. Iye wo ni do ni go mi. Ime go. Eda tula je lu wala go lu wa happy baby e do lu wala go ya go di 2 million be go. Ya de. Ime. Ya ka e de ti e gbere. Ire yeye. Wa ke jo bo be. Ena sula je lu wala go. Lu wa mi me fa. Lu wa to ame wala go ko gbagbe ni ti we ni do po yo ti ke wala ke se ba. O gba gije. Different tí ó kì í síjọ́ lè gbé mi àgbègbè níyà. Ìyá gbọ́dọ̀ láti gbàgbé náà. Wọ́n láwọn òwe ni ètò mi wà láwọn gbogbo àwùjọ bọ̀ mi wà tó abẹ́. Wọ́n láwọn àgùnrè ewu wà láwọn owó. Ẹnu wà yàtọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ní sábà yàtọ̀ wà yà fẹ́fẹ́. Wọ́n láwọn owó. Wọ́n láwọn owó. Wọ́n láwọn.